Hello ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we will be discussing about how to make bubble charts. Here you can see we have created one small bubble chart of the variable segment and the sales data. Let's create one similar to like this. For that, we need to create one sheet. Now, to make a bubble chart, we need one variable from measures and one variable from dimensions. You can check these requirements from here. Click on Show Me. Go to bubble chart. You can see here that we need one or more dimensions and one or more measures. Here you can see that it is required to have one or more dimensions and one or more measures to make a bubble chart. Now, for that, let's select segment from the dimensions, drag and drop it to text. There are three values: consumer, corporate, home office. Now we want to check the sales of each segment by the size. Bigger the size of the portion, higher will be the sales. So for that, select sales and drag and drop it to size. Also, we want to color each segment. So for that, select segment and drag and drop it to color. So for each segment, we have different color. Now from rectangular, we need to make it circular. So for that, there's an option. We can change it from here and select circle. This is how we can make a bubble chart. We can add more variables. For example, if we want to add the variable profit, we can do that. Remove segment from the color option and select profit and drag and drop it to colors. We can change the coloring of the scale. Likewise, I hope you have understood the concept of bubble chart. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. Let's meet in the next session. Until then, keep tabs on the Tableau. Thank you.